mine's leaking behind me. Just pisses me off to no end. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Jeep TV. Today we're going to be looking at this Jeep top and why in the heck it's leaking. I got this Jeep about 6 months ago, and ever since I got it, this Jeep has leaked like a sieve. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at all the different gaskets and seals and this and that, and see why this thing may be not keeping a good seal. So anyways, I'm going to get the top off. We're going to take a look at it. Alright. Alright, so this up here, it already looks pretty rough. But yeah, I don't know if there's really supposed to be anything here, which there's nothing here. But let's go over here and look at this seal. So, taking a look at this seal, you can actually tell that, I mean, it is worn out. This seal right here is pretty much gone. So we've got some pretty old, dry, rotted stuff. And this right here actually fell off the other day when I was taking my top off and was hanging down, so I just pulled it out. And I'm not really sure where it goes. It looks like it may have gone there or something that's been rubbing right there. Anyways, let's take a look at the other side. Alright, same thing over here. This is the passenger side. So there is no gasket here, just like the other side there is. So we need to kind of see what's up with that. Well, there's one in between here. So obviously you don't want water in between there. There is something here. Let's take a look at this one. So same thing. This is just dry rotted off, and it's just not very good. Same with this one up here. Nice and dry rotted, and probably just needs to be peeled off and redone. I grabbed this gasket kit from Quadratech a while back, and I had it kind of in one of my reveal videos that I was gonna this be a thing to do, but it really, this stuff is so like thin. But I mean, obviously it's going to play an important role in sealing this off, so we need to kind of see which ones we can use and figure out maybe where they go. There really isn't a map. There's some stuff online that I found, but I'll try to post that up. We'll see what we can do with these things to maybe get this Jeep sealed off, and I actually have one more piece of the puzzle I haven't shown you guys that we're going to take a look at. Alright, so what this is some industrial strength, what's called Cork Tape. It is sticky on both sides, and it does mold very well, but I'm afraid it's going to be too sticky and adhesive. See, it does have some stickiness to it. And here I've torn off some strips to maybe possibly use. It is pretty malleable, and I think that using this may be an option. Just to kind of give you guys an idea, what I mean by leaking is this void right here, all this will fill up with water, okay? And as you're driving the Jeep, it sloshes over into the cab, and it is the most annoying thing ever. Also, with my top right here, this seems to gap up a lot whenever just got the top down and stuff. And I think it really has something to do with a lot of the leakage through here too. So I really want to make sure we watch, once we get this down and folded back, latched down, that this gap is very, very minimum. So I love the Jeep. I don't like that it leaks, but Yeah. I'm gonna do a long piece here. This really odd looking one I'm gonna put right here. Up here, this is the same size, I guess, as this one. It's just a hair longer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to probably move it up a little bit, and I have 2 of these over here on the other side. So I'm gonna take, you know, from those 2 over there, I'm gonna snip them, and I'll bring some more over here to cover all this up. And then the final thing will be probably in this area. I will get some of that foam and put it over it. So, you know, as far as all this in here goes, everything looks good. My door jambs, they all look good, they all look normal. You know, I did check on my other Jeep over there. The door jambs on it, they all look the same. You know, that's something else you can do, guys. If you guys have gotten 2 soft top Jeeps, or 2 Jeeps with soft tops, you can kind of compare the 2 and make sure everything is the same. So I don't really have that. I could go to my father-in-law's. He does have a whatever, 2013 whatever 2-door, so I could go check his out, but he lives down the street and I'm too lazy to do that. So anyway, so we're gonna get these seals on there and see what happens. Alright guys, so far it looks like this. You know, get the one strip here and the one that we were gonna kind of wrap around, so that's good. We got the one long strip here, and it stopped right here, so I'm gonna get a little bit from the other side. And then we've got this top piece on right here. This is the Cork Tape on here. So the last piece of the puzzle is to put the sticky back foam on here. And I've only done it like up here in the front area, just so the sticky stuff doesn't pull this off up here. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and close this soft top up, and then we'll spray some water on it and see what happens. I think I just figured something out that I didn't even know was a thing. Look at that. That is so crazy. I didn't know it did that. It's a new little feature that I didn't even know Jeeps did. Alright. Hopefully this track right here won't hold any water. It'll roll down and, you know, just roll down the Jeep and not inside. Also up here, hopefully nothing gets in as well. So there's a lot of different, you know, points, entry points that water can get in. Water's always going to take the least path of resistance, and hopefully we've got them all blocked off. Alright. Simulate a heavy, heavy rain. I'm not seeing any water anywhere. Just to show everybody, it is dry. Grass in here. Let me get back a camera. It is dry, dry, dry. Nothing down here. Nothing on the doors. So we are good to go. I'm going to go and start spraying. Start to run. Doing this job, get the water out. Alright, so let's go up on the passenger side and take a look at the damage. Here's something dripping. It's over here. Oh, there goes the GoPro. I can live with a little bit of a drip if the door's open. I just don't want it to leak in my Jeep when I'm in it. So let's run some more water, and we'll see if we can't get this sucker to leak. Alright, here we go. Round 2 with water. We'll do like a 2-minute shower. Alright. So we just did like a 3-minute long rain shower down on this Jeep. Got a phone call from my brother. So I just kind of stayed on the phone, just spraying it down. So I hope that has fixed it. I don't see any water at all. My curiosity has piqued me, and I really want to lift this up and see what it looks like under here after it's been smashed down for a little bit. So let's open it back up and take a look at it. Alright, so we are on the passenger side. This is pushed down quite a bit right here. You can tell where we the water has gotten to it right here, and it's dripping off. That's what it's actually dripping from. Our seals up here are good. You can tell it's definitely smashed down right here. Not as much up here. Check the other side. Same thing. There is water sitting in the tray. This has definitely been smashed down. Takes a little bit for the air to get back into the foam to bring it back up. You can definitely tell that that's gotten wet right here, because that's where the this right here is actually in that tray. So this is wet. This is all dry. That's wet right here, but all this is dry. So yeah, I think we've pretty much conquered the old leak. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Again, my name is Brett. You are watching Jeep TV. Hope this helps you guys out. If you guys have any comments or anything, leave them down below. I'd love to read them. If you guys have come up with other ways to fix your Jeep from leaking, this has been an ongoing issue. You guys out there that are running a Jeep soft top and having leaking issues like I've been having, hopefully this does help. The kit that I did get was for a hard top. I'll have everything in the link below. But anyways, if this is your first time stopping in, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Check out some other videos, and if you like them, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. Hopefully this helped you out and was very informative. But I appreciate everything, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Keep Jeeping.